What are you doing? Are you supposed to be up there? No, you're not. No, exactly. No, you're not supposed to be up there. Well, what are you doing up there? Hey. What are you doing?
Lucy's swam ahead into the garden. She could get lost again. We've got to find her.
No, you're not supposed to be up there.
What does Lucy have on her skin?
You gonna put it back?
Yeah.
Put it back up there. Yeah.